I'm against the light. Hi guys, I'm in the orchard. First of all, hi, let me introduce you to this orchard. It's a plant orchard for my neighbor down here. But again, I have this thing here surprising me. Imeanza kumulika, yani it has flowered and the mangoes are there. Do you know how short this thing is? Yo, like it is super short. Or is it grafted? Ini grafted, sindio? For sure. Look at the other one. Look at it. No, you wonder if you have this kind of mango and kids, what will happen? Just to know. Let's go to another one. Look at this one. This is a mango tree too, but this one has not started flowering. I think it's not a grafty. That's an orange lemon tree. There. It's a lemon tree. From the other side, have rosemary on the other side. This is an orange tree. Orange. Now this is quite big. Sindio, if it produces like pixie, someone can enjoy. You see it? And then I love the nini pomegranate fruit. Like I love. Look the way this one has flowered from up. Wait, I'm against the sun. Let's see this other side. Yeah, this other side, at least the video shows well. Look at it. Look at the flower. Let me go a little bit further. Yo. Let me see. Yeah, if I push it far. Yo. Huh? And then, which other tree? I think this is an avocado tree. This is lemongrass. You drink lemongrass? There is a say that this lemongrass attracts these green snakes. I don't know which tree is this. In avocado. Wow. So flowering. Yani ime flourish, not flowering. It has flourished. And this is, you know, aje? Mio. In a local language, it is mio. Oh, lanquad mixed with apple. You see, this is an apple. So, I think this was a grafted of lanquad and apple, guys. Now the mother stem outgrew the grafted stem. But again, I'll wish to see what kind of fruit it will produce. What kind of a fruit? You remember the other video I told you about the mansionette that was taking place? This is here. My place is over there. The gate over up there. That's the gate for my place. So the mansionette, you see it from down here. So it's a steepy place. Mine is up over there. We need to climb up. Look at that mangoes. Mangoes are very short. And we have this rosemary. Rosemaries are growing well over here. Another rosemary. You go down there. And then this is, I think it's an orange. Let's zoom it in. It's an orange tree. Another, maybe pixie. Maybe that's a pixie, an orange. My neighbor could have told me all about it, but she's quite busy. What I know, this is a lemon. Is a lemon. This is not a lemon. This is not a lemon tree. Look at it. It's an orange, pure orange. Lemon tree, it is all full of thorns. Lemon tree, not tree. It's full of thorns. Look at it. It's flowering. Oh my goodness. And then in African setup, you'll never miss a guava. And this has grown tall, but not that tall because the stems are conjoined from down. You see the stems? They are conjoined from down there. That's all. Then it grew a little bit taller than me, because I'm too tall to. Don't see me like this. Oh, I think this orchard, it's a nice orchard place. We still need more fruits like this other side. any other side needs to be planted to the other end. Which kind of fruit hakuna hapa Dayo? Unaweza dhani? Yeah? Lanquad na apple iko, oranges, pixie, lemon, mango, avocado. Nini hakuna huku? There is a stream down there. A stream of Kamaji down there. Kwa stream? Oh, Askuma, kwa stream pale. Yo, my neighbors are there. These are our neighbors who reside from the other side of the Nini. One day I'll take you there, you see them. They're there. Going. This Kumas are smart. We shall go next time. Here is Dayo. Dayo, say hi. You're not even saying hi. Unani direct to say hi everyone. Hi everyone. Yes, what to subscribe here. Tell them subscribe, watch and share. Yeah, the pawpaws. Look at them. I don't want to step this side because I see they are planted. If you see well, they are quite planted. So there is a pawpaw here. Let me zoom it in. You see it? Here. A pawpaw. Another one there. There are two pawpaws. Yo. And the other side, still an avocado is growing there. When you stand this side, you see kitchen garden is over there. I showed a little bit of it. A little bit of it. That one will do. What? Inafaa kuchomelewa? Yeah. Let me see this down. Hapo ita he. Hii itabidi tutafute the real mkono. Hii mkono imespoil. Hii mpaka tutafutie mkono yake. Yo, I wanted this thing for watering my, you know me, I've planted but not like, they're not grown like this one. They are still seeds. Hizo zinaitwa gaja. I saw Chinese people eating this thing and they were really enjoying it. This fruit. What is the name? I've seen some, but it's ripe here. Is it ripe? Let me see. Is it ripe? I've seen some that's ripe from this side. Goodness, it's ripe. Look at it. Yo! Now let me eat it. It is sweet. And unasikia kwa aroma in your mouth. And then they are still there. The other ones there, that's zimeiva. Unaziona Dayo? Ndio uchune. Kuna kayelo. Hii hapa hivi kwa ndani. Uto. Hapo penye uko ya mkono nyingine hizo. Kama hivyo. You can enjoy as well. Mbufungwa. Gosh! Kako na aroma tamu. Oh, eat them. You can eat them. Tutamu. Tuko tungi. Nakula machungwa za watu shwali. Let me have some. This one. This thing is super yummy. Why is it not focusing? Yo, it's here. Yo, oh, it's focusing down. I enjoy. Where's Mama Oreo? Inside.